What's going on? And welcome to Eddie Studios. I want to clarify something from a video I did a few months back on how you can shoot awesome vertical video using your Osmo Pocket 2. So that video I'm going to link in a card above. I want you to go to that video and check out the very end of it where I talk about the story mode on the Osmo Pocket 2 and how you can use it to kind of self-create videos without having to do a lot of editing. It's very cool, but there was some confusion because I didn't mention that the story mode doesn't automatically change your profile to the vertical profile. It will record in the regular profile like you're shooting horizontal. And as if you started shooting horizontal and you turned your camera mid-shot so everything's tilted on its side. There's a really easy way to fix this, and I use PowerDirector as my editing app on my phone, and it's still pretty edit free, but all you have to do is rotate it within the app. Real quick, I want to show you the tool that I use to be able to make my stories with my Osmo Pocket 2 pairing with my phone, and that is this Movo adapter. I love this adapter because it has two different cold shoe mounts. So it comes in handy if you want a microphone or you want a light and you want to mount them on it. It also can mount onto an Elanzi Octopod, which allows you to place it on its side and get that vertical shot. But the point of this is to put your Pocket 2 on it, strap your phone in place, make sure they're both secure, then you can turn it on its side and everything will hold together just perfectly fine to make this happen really easily. All right, let's get right into it, and I will show you how to go about editing it to make it so that it changes from a horizontal video to a vertical video really easily in PowerDirector. Let's go. So in PowerDirector, we want to first hit New Project, and then you see your 9x16 is the vertical version of 16x9, so we're gonna click that. That will start our project. Mine's going to be located under DJI Mimo, which yours probably will also. And the 11-second one is the clip that is the full thing. Otherwise, it does save the other individual clips to your phone as well. So go ahead and plus to add that. I'm going to go ahead and click in it, and you'll notice it doesn't fill the screen. All I'm going to have to do here is go over and rotate. And we're going to hit it a couple times till we get the correct rotation. And there you go. It is already ready to go ahead and finalize. I have two things wrong with mine, and I do not like that it switches to showing my camera at the end, which is just weird. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it here, and we'll call that the end of it. And I'm going to go ahead and go to the beginning, hit split. Then I'm going to go over here to where this says My Story Starts. And I'm going to go ahead and split it there right before that writes on. And you can zoom in on PowerDirector also, so let's go ahead and zoom in so we can get the right cut spot. And we want it cut right before that starts because I do like that, and I want that in the end, and we're not going to want that turn. So delete this portion, then we want this right on here. See this? But we don't want it like that. So all we're going to do is rotate that. So then we'll hit rotate, and it corrects it. I'm going to do one other thing, and that is I'm going to just go ahead and zoom in on it. And so you can just go ahead and let that play. So let's play from the beginning. I could have this music like fade out. We're going to duplicate the track, and then I'm going to drag the duplicated version of it down so that my music goes ahead and plays till it's supposed to stop. And we'll have the volume fade out. These are just extra touches just because I'm particular about my videos. That, or in PowerDirector, you could pick your own music for it and not go with the music from there. But then we're getting more complicated when you just wanted a story that was shot in vertical. So that's what we're doing. That's good. So then it fades out of the music and it sounds like it's supposed to. Then all you're going to do is hit this button in the top right corner, brings you over here to where you can go ahead and produce your video. I always just save it to my phone and then I decide where I'm sharing it from there. So I go here, you can save it in 4K, 1080, 720, 360. I usually go 4K just because why not have the best quality possible. Then just hit produce, it will wind up saving it to your phone. Good to go. All right, I hope that was really helpful for you and that it helped you figure out how to shoot using the story mode on the Pocket 2 and then changing it to vertical using PowerDirect on your phone. If it did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. I'm putting them out weekly, and I'm going to go ahead and get going. I don't want to waste your guys' time today, but check out the top videos, last week's video below is what YouTube recommends to you. Go shoot something awesome. Enjoy using your Pocket 2 and PowerDirector for editing, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.